Hey beauties, and welcome back to my channel. And if you're new here, hello and welcome. My name is Stacy. Today's video is going to be my BOXYCHARM unboxing and try on for May 2018. If you're new to my channel, or just in case you may not know what BOXYCHARM is, it is a beauty subscription box. With BOXYCHARM, you receive 4 to 5 full-size products a month for $21 a month. As always, if you like these subscription box unboxings, please be sure and give this video a thumbs up. That lets me know that you enjoy these videos and that I should continue doing them on the monthly basis. If you'd like to join my little YouTube family, you can click subscribe down below and hit that notification bell down by the subscribe button so you be sure and get notified when I upload new videos in the future. I'm sure you guys have heard from other bigger channels that YouTube is doing a thing where they don't want to put your videos in the feed, even if the person is subscribed to your channel. So you have to be sure and hit that notification bell to get notifications when people that you are subscribed to upload. And because my channel is pretty new, YouTube is just not putting my videos in anyone's feed, even people that have subscribed to me that have not clicked the notification bell. So I appreciate your support by subscribing and clicking that notification bell. Now, without any further ado, let's jump right on in to this unboxing. Okay, guys, so I already know what's in my box. That's why I have some of my makeup already on. I like to do that for the try on portion of the video. It just saves time from having to put all my makeup on camera. So I open the box here, and here is the card. Boxy Bash is the theme this month. On the back of the card, it lists the products and what the retail value of the products are. There is also a couple of coupon codes on the back of this, so that is always fun. So the first things I see in my box are these brushes. Okay, so here are the brushes out of the packaging. The brushes are by the brand Estetica, and this is the 3-piece eye trio, and this is the Pro Face Brush. Spoolies are always a good thing. You can never have too many of these for your eyebrows. I go through spoolies like crazy. Now this angled eyeliner brush is very thick. So I don't know about that for eyeliner, but maybe this would be good to smudge out your eyeliner in your waterline on your lower lash line. And the fine tipped eyeliner brush here feels very flimsy. Can you see that? I don't know. We are going to try it out because we also have in the box this bad boy right here. This is the Pretty Vulgar Ink Gel Eyeliner. So the packaging is really cute because it looks like a little thing, a little jar thing that ink would be in. So, but this is a gel eyeliner, and you can't really see down in there at all, but it looks like a pretty solid gel liner. So we're going to use one or both of these eyeliner brushes to test out this eyeliner in just a minute here. By the way, the 3-piece brush trio set retails for $45. Wow, that's expensive. And the face brush retails for $27. That's also pretty expensive. The Pretty Vulgar Ink Gel Eyeliner has a retail value of $24. Expensive. We got some expensive stuff in this month's box, which is awesome because we only paid $21 for it. Back to the face brush real quick. This looks like it would be a really good blush brush because it has that dome shape, but it's not super pointy at the tip. Might be really good for bronzer or blush. I don't know. We're going to try it out in a second here too. The next thing in the box is the Cover FX Blurring Primer. I'm not trying this out today on camera because I already have my foundation on, but I have used this before, so I know how it performs and I already have an opinion about this product. This is a really good product for blurring. It is a good blurring primer. So if you like those types of primers, then I think you would really like this one. It doesn't feel quite as silicone-y. Anyway, it doesn't feel like it has as much silicone in it as the Professional, which is one of my favorite primers, as I'm sure most of you know if you've watched my videos in the past. But it is a silicone-based primer, but it's a good one. If you like silicone-based blurring primers, I think you would really like this one. And that primer retails for $38. The next thing in the box is this palette by the brand Pure. It is the Pure Sculptor palette. So here is the shades, and as you can probably tell, these two both look too dark for me, as well as this highlighter. It doesn't say on here that it's for a specific skin tone or anything, but it looks like it's pretty dark for my complexion, which is very fair, but smells like cocoa. It has a nice mirror in it. I'll do some swatches for you guys. Okay, here are the swatches of the Sculptor palette, very awkwardly swatched on my arm. So this is the lighter contour shade, the deeper one, and the deeper highlight and the lighter highlight. So I might can get away with the lighter highlight from the palette, but unfortunately the other shades I might have to use as eyeshadows. And by the way, this palette retails for $30. Not sure if I already said that or not, but it retails for $30. Okay, I just clipped my hair back out of my face for a minute here. Okay, so what do you guys think? Should I try using a light hand and using this on my cheeks, or should I just try using it as an eyeshadow? It looks pretty dark for me. I'm pretty afraid to put it on my cheeks. I think it will make me look muddy. So I'm just going to put some of it in my crease because bronzers and contours work just as well as eyeshadows, sometimes better than eyeshadows. So I'm just going to take a Morphe E22 and put some of this in my crease. Let's see how it performs as an eyeshadow. Okay, that performed nicely as an eyeshadow, just like I figured it would. So blended out as an eyeshadow, it's not quite as deep with one single dip as it looks in the pan. So you might get away with it if you were light skin toned, but if you're fair, very fair like me, I just don't think that it will work out as a contour for you. Okay, moving on, I'm going to try putting this highlight shade here on the center of my eyelid. And I'm just going to use my finger to apply this shade. It's very pretty. Now I'm going to take this highlight shade and put it just on the inner corner to brighten up the inner corner, and also onto the inner corner of the lid a little. And I'm also going to pop this on my cheekbones for my highlight. Okay, now that is a pretty highlight. You will see the glow, very glowy and pretty. And it doesn't particularly emphasize my texture either, which is amazing. Oh, I was going to use this brush for my blush, and I already put my blush on. But I do think this would make a really good blush brush. I will definitely be trying it out soon in a video. Alright, it's time to try out these brushes and this eyeliner. So, oh guys, I don't know. It's been a long time since I used gel eyeliner. I'm so used to using liquid and pencils. I don't know how this is going to go. I'm pretty nervous. So I'm going to try the eyeliner on this angled brush first, and if it doesn't work out, then I will try the fine tipped brush. So I'm just dipping down in here. One thing I don't like about the packaging, as cute as it is you can't see what you're getting on your brush. You just have to kind of feel and hope for the best. So, ooh, I got too much. So that is one negative about this packaging, even though it is really cute, you know, it's not very practical. All right, let's try it out. I already have a little mascara on, so hopefully I can make this work. Okay, so I ended up with way more dramatic eyeliner than I originally intended. I was just going to do a thin line, and this brush is virtually impossible to do a thin line. It's also virtually impossible to do a good wing with this brush. In my opinion, it's just too thick. So after I royally messed up my attempt to do a small wing with that brush, I went in with this brush and tried to fix it. This brush is definitely better for eyeliner in my opinion, although neither one of them are really my favorite for eyeliner. But it has been a while since I've used a gel eyeliner, so I am pretty rusty. I'm used to just using my liquid eyeliner, so it could be user error, but that's my opinion on the matter. And as far as gel eyeliner goes, this is pretty good. My only complaint is what I mentioned earlier, that it's hard to see down in there to see how much product you're getting on your brush. It's pretty much impossible. So when you get your brush out, you kind of have to rake the excess off. Otherwise, you're going to go in with too much eyeliner on your eye, and it's going to create a mess, kind of like it did on this eye. But that's okay. That's as good as the eyeliner is going to get today. So we're just going to roll with it and move on. Now, moving on to the last thing in the box this month. It is by the brand Beauty Creations, and I believe it is a collab with BOXYCHARM because BOXYCHARM's name is on the box. It is a matte lip gloss. Matte lip gloss. So that's interesting. Is it matte or is it a gloss? So this is in the shade Sweetheart. A deep pinkish color, like a deep rosy pink color. This is a dry swatch on my hand. Okay, I just popped on a little lip liner. Now I'm going to go in with this matte lip gloss. Oh, this smells like artificial cherries. Almost like no, more strawberry than cherry. Almost like a strawberry sucker, like the blow pops. It's not a bad smell. Okay, so that's a very pretty color. It is very sticky right now. It does not look very glossy. It looks more like a liquid lipstick, and right now it is very sticky. Oh, I don't know. I don't like that sticky feeling. I'm going to give it a couple more minutes and see if it'll dry on down matte and lose that sticky feeling. But it is a pretty color. Very pretty berry shade. It looks very berry on my lips. Okay, it's been 2 or 3 minutes since I put the matte lip gloss on. It does not look glossy at all, in my opinion. I don't know why they didn't just call it a matte liquid lipstick, because there is like no gloss. It still has that really sticky feeling. Let's see if it's transfer proof. You can see just a little bit there. So maybe it's just one that takes a longer time to dry down. I don't know. I hope it dries down because I do not like that sticky feeling. Alright guys, that is it for this month's BOXYCHARM unboxing and try on. Let's do a little math here. The total value for this month's box to $174. Wow, that's amazing. You pay $21 for the box, you get $174 worth of products this month. That's awesome. Leave a comment down below and let me know what you guys thought of this month's BOXYCHARM. I really hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please be sure and give it a thumbs up and click subscribe down below if you have not already, and hit that notification bell beside of the subscribe button so you get notified when I upload new videos in the future. That's going to be it for this one, guys. I'll see you in the next one. Bye.